Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is June 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from KB Home, one of the largest home builders in the United States. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. KB Home has just released their second quarter results for 2025, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic initiatives. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. KB Home reported revenues of $1.53 billion for the second quarter of 2025. How does this compare to expectations, John?
KB Home's revenue came in slightly below last year's $1.71 billion, but it was in line with their guidance. The adjusted earnings per share of $1.50 exceeded the forecast of $1.45 from 5 analysts, which is a positive sign. However, net income decreased by 36% to $107.9 million, reflecting some challenges in the market.
They also repurchased $200 million of common stock. How does this fit into their overall strategy?
Repurchasing shares is part of KB Home's strategy to enhance long-term stockholder value. By buying back stock at an average price below their book value, they are effectively returning capital to shareholders and improving earnings per share.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, KB Home has been focusing on operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their progress in this area?
Absolutely. KB Home has made significant strides in reducing build times and lowering direct construction costs. These improvements are crucial as they help the company maintain margins and offer competitive pricing, even as market conditions have softened.
Looking ahead, what guidance has KB Home provided for the rest of the year?
For the full year 2025, KB Home expects housing revenues to range between $6.30 billion and $6.50 billion. They are also focusing on maintaining a strong balance sheet and optimizing their land investments, which should support future growth.
Market challenges and strategic initiatives. Despite some positive aspects, KB Home is facing challenges. What are the key issues they're dealing with?
One of the main challenges is the decrease in homes delivered, which is down 11% year over year. Additionally, net orders have decreased by 13%, and the backlog value is down 27%. These figures indicate a softer demand environment.
How is KB Home addressing these challenges?
KB Home is taking a balanced approach by scaling back on land acquisition and development investments while increasing share repurchases. This strategy allows them to adapt to current market conditions while focusing on long-term growth and returns.
CEO insights and strategic focus. Let's talk about the leadership's perspective. What insights did CEO Jeffrey Mezger share in the report?
Jeffrey Mezger emphasized the importance of optimizing assets to offer compelling value to buyers. He highlighted the company's commitment to maintaining pricing transparency and enhancing margins and returns, even in a challenging market environment.
How does this strategic focus position KB Home for the future?
By focusing on asset optimization and maintaining transparency, KB Home is positioning itself to weather current market challenges while setting the stage for future growth. This approach should help them remain competitive and continue delivering value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, KB Home's second quarter results reflect a mix of challenges and strategic initiatives. While revenue and net income have declined, the company has exceeded EPS expectations and is actively repurchasing shares to enhance shareholder value. John, any final thoughts?
KB Home is navigating a tough market with a focus on operational efficiencies and strategic capital allocation. Their efforts to optimize assets and maintain transparency are commendable and should support their long-term growth objectives.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on KB Home's performance in the comments below.